Welcome to a short tutorial on how to define technologist and physician in IQWebRIS. As radiographer, I want to define performing technologist, reading, and requesting physician to allow for a smooth reading workflow. For doing this task, I will go to Workflow tab. Select Filter, Pending Tasks. Open a pending task from a patient by double-clicking. Select a physician name from the drop-down list for Reading Physician and Requesting Physician fields in the Order tab. Go to the Procedures tab. Select a name from the drop-down list for the Technologist field. Select the next status and press the Save button. Thank you for your attention.